Here's how a typical cerec procedure works. Your patient comes in with a broken cusp or an old amalgam that is in need of replacement. Well, it looks like an opportunity for a high-quality tooth-colored cerec crown. You prep the tooth as you normally would, but you can be a lot less aggressive in your prep, using a conservative approach that keeps as much healthy tooth structure intact as possible. Next, you apply imaging liquid, then powder the prepared tooth. This white powder is needed for the infrared camera to measure the surface and the depths of the prepared tooth. Position the cerec camera directly over the powdered prep. Activate the camera with a foot pedal, and the image will appear in real time on the monitor. Line it up so you've got the prep in the center with equal views of the neighboring mesial and distal teeth. Then release the pedal to take the optical impression. This takes about 45 seconds. If you're doing it the conventional way, the clock would be ticking, and it would be another 2 to 3 minutes before the impression could be removed from the patient's mouth. Then you'd have to check it for voids and possibly do a remake. No remakes are needed with cerec because you can see the optical impression on the monitor instantly. Once the optical impression is taken, you use the cerec software to help design the restoration. The cerec software does most of the work for you. Simply adjust the bottom line and occlusal contours to your liking. Rarely does it ever get more complicated than that. Once you're happy with the restoration design, you or your assistant places the appropriate block of material into the milling chamber. The cerec software will pick the best size block. You simply match the color. Press another button and the restoration is billed within 5 to 15 minutes, right in your own office. Once done, the restoration is removed from the milling chamber and is ready for try-in. You check the contacts, polish the inner proximals, and you're ready to bond the restoration in place. A polishing system of your liking can be used to give the restorations a shiny glazed appearance. That's it, and the patient is ready to go. It's up to you whether to add stains or glazing for characterization, but with the extensive range of material shades and opacities available, you'll find that additional naturalization is rarely necessary for posterior restorations. Of course, cerec also does onlays, fillings, and veneers. The sequence of steps remains pretty much the same as I just described for a crown.